Open a Canva design and click Elements. Scroll down to find the Grid section. Click See All in the Grid section. Click to apply one of the grids to your design. With the grid design applied to your page, click the first image placeholder to select it. Return to the Elements section and in Search Elements, type the keyword for the image you might want to use. When you decide on the image, click to add this photo to the canvas. To place the image in the correct grid, with your mouse, drag the image and drop it in the grid of your choice. To repeat these steps for the next image, click into the next grid. Scroll down and click to add this photo to the canvas. Then you'll drag and drop the image into the grid. You'll continue this for all of the empty grids. Click into the empty grid. Click to add this photo to the canvas. To place the image in the next grid with your mouse, drag the image and drop it in the grid. To change a photo choice, right-click on that image. Click Detach Image. That image can now be moved, replaced, or deleted. You can also edit the image with the Effects, Adjust, Crop, or Rotate tools to its left. When you're satisfied, click Done. That's it, you're done.